Well, speaking of food, slimy, moldy growth on a drink nozzle and toxic chemicals right next to knives. Going out to eat can make you sick to your stomach if your favorite restaurant doesn't keep a clean kitchen. Here's this week's all-new Dirty Dining Report.
Smashburger on Alma School Road near Southern in Mesa. 4 major health code violations. The health inspector went in and found an employee handling raw beef, then not washing their hands. Ranch dressing out of temperature. Vito's Ristorante on Frank Lloyd Wright Boulevard near Shea Boulevard in Scottsdale. 4 violations. A worker not washing their hands properly and employees handling ready-to-eat rolls with their bare hands. Greeka Pita on Camelback Road just off 18th Street in Phoenix. 4 violations. The health inspector report listed raw eggs over ready-to-eat foods, 2 cans of Raid where they don't belong. The Black Bear Diner at Bell Road and 60th Avenue in Glendale. 5 violations. The health inspector found food buildup on plastic containers and slimy mold growth on an OJ nozzle. And the place with the most health code violations? Faux Bowl on 75th Avenue near Thomas Road in Phoenix. 7 major violations.
Faux Bowl had toxic chemicals right next to knives, no soap at a hand wash sink, and slicer soiled with meat debris. The place now on notice to clean up, or it could face legal action. The restaurants with perfect health inspection scores, well, they make our dean's list, and they are Castles and Coasters at I-17 and Peoria in Phoenix, Seattle Espresso, that's near Warner and McClintock in Tempe, the Burger King at Ray and Dobson Road in Chandler, Jimbo's Sports Bar and Grill near 51st Avenue and Cactus, that's in Glendale, the Subway at Arrowhead Town Center in Glendale, and C's Candy in Old Town Scottsdale.